What's up guys, TechFlash here, and today we are going to unbox a $90 device that I think is going to be one of those devices that many people are going to buy across the world. And this device is called Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and if you already don't know, Redmi is a brand from Xiaomi and these are the budget devices that they offer. And this device, although being a $90 device, has a triple camera setup on the back, and the chipset on this device is actually a fairly new chipset called the MediaTek Helio G35, which makes this device quite powerful for the price tag. So if you are someone who wants good performance but you are not willing to spend huge amount of money on your cell phone, you can still get a good performing device. And with Xiaomi devices, there are some perks, and one of those perks is the fact that this device comes with easy access to all the Google apps you use the most. Now I'm not sure whether this special notation is from Google or Xiaomi, but this is in my guess a direct hit towards Huawei, which is right now not been able to use Google services. The variant I have with me is a 2GB 32GB variant, and there is another variant coming out with 3GB of RAM, but other specifications remain the same. Now opening up the box, you can see that this device is already unboxed because of the fact that I had to go through customs to get this device. However, Redmi 9C comes with a 13 megapixel AI triple camera. It comes with the 6.53 inches HD plus dot display. Now you have to remember that this is only a $90 device. It comes with a 5000 milliampere battery, and it also comes with the MediaTek Helio G35 chipset, which is by the way an octa-core chipset with 2.3 GHz cores. I'm going to remove the sticker, and there's another sticker on the back. I'm going to remove that too. While this device turns on, we are going to look towards everything else that is available in the box. There are some booklets, there's a SIM ejection pin, and with Xiaomi you don't get much of accessories, so you're only getting this 10-watt charger along with this micro USB cable. So these devices are not making the shift towards USB Type-C, at least for this generation, but we hope that in the next generation we might see a generation shift and move towards directly USB Type-C. Now the device looks quite decent, and the color combination on this device is actually orange. I hope you can see that there are some lines in this pattern, and this device is called, this color is called, sunset orange. There is another blue variant available as well, but I was not able to get my hands on it. So for now, you have to see this orange color and make a guess how the blue will look. There's a headphone jack available as well. There's a speaker in the bottom side, and now I'm going to turn this device on to see how this device looks from the inside. Okay, so the device is finally set up, and you can see that this device is coming with one of the latest version of Android, at least for Xiaomi users. This is coming with MIUI 12, which is their latest operating system. It is based on Android 10 and supports many features. If you want, I can make another video about the whole thing. However, let's just talk about the internal specifications. This is coming with the 2GB of RAM, 32GB of internal storage, and with the MediaTek Helio G35 chipset, which means that this is going to perform quite well for the price tag. Also, the camera setup on this one is interesting, and you have to mind that I'm recording right now in a kitchen environment because this device is actually not my own. I got this from a friend, so I have to record it here. However, the camera setup on this device is quite interesting. There is a 13 megapixel main camera, and then the two sensors are actually comprised of a macro camera with a 5 megapixel option and a depth sensor for the portrait shots. So you can get a good macro camera. However, I would have preferred if there was a ultra wide angle camera, at least because they were already including one. Also, the front camera is a 5 megapixel camera, and right now I cannot show you the samples and stuff because this is a very quick video, but if you want, I can upload another one and show you the exact details. There is a portrait mode available, and overall the device feels quite good. Also, I want to include that this device is coming with a 5000 mAh battery, which means that the battery life on this one is surely going to be quite nice. And honestly, for $90 you can't really beat this device, and I think this is a very good option if it is available in your market. Now I already know that this is coming to countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, and in some parts of Europe. So if you are from one of those countries, you are in luck, because this is one of the best device you can buy for $90 right now. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.